Evolution has brought forth highly specialized living organisms, each with marvelous skills designed to advance the species. But one predates terrestrial dinosaurs and has infused fear into the human imagination since the dawn of time. The tarantula is perfectly adapted to its environment. If one can manage to step over their fear, true virtuosity will reveal itself. Even with 8 clustered eyes, the tarantula has poor sight. Fortunately, the tarantula's hairs serve as receptors, capable of sensing the most minute vibrations. This skill is so specialized that the tarantula can detect the location, distance, and size of the creatures around it. A close-up reveals the uncountable hairs on her specimen. Using their hind legs, they can flick specialized needle-like hairs from their abdomen into their predator's flesh, causing unbearable discomfort. Retractable claws, much like a cat's, can be found at the end of each leg. This allows climbing of even the smoothest surfaces. This darkling beetle has ventured too deep into the forest. The fangs can deliver poisonous blows that paralyze and liquefy the prey's insides, which is then ingested like a creamy soup.